Welcome. Today, turmeric tea's 5 fast benefits. If you don't like pills but still want to embrace natural health perks, then try a warm cup of turmeric tea. This ancient golden spice has been trusted for centuries. It's simple, soothing, and surprisingly effective. Ready to sip smarter? Let's count down 5 reasons to drink turmeric tea. Fast. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory power. Turmeric's main compound, curcumin, helps calm inflammation throughout the body. It's a great ritual after a tough workout or a long day sitting at your desk. Number 4. Immune support. It's packed with antioxidants that help your body fend off everyday bugs. It's not a cure, but a solid boost for your defenses. Number 3. Digestion and gut comfort. A warm cup can ease bloating and improve digestion, especially when paired with a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb it. Number 2. Brain and focus. Regular turmeric intake has been linked to better cognitive health and clearer thinking. Think of this tea as a tiny daily brain tune-up. And number 1, mood and calm. The simple ritual of sipping something warm can lower stress, while turmeric's compounds support balanced neurotransmitters so you feel steadier and more grounded. Quick tip: to get the most out of every sip, add black pepper and a little healthy fat, like coconut milk or a splash of olive oil. This combination dramatically boosts absorption. Sweeten lightly with honey if you want. So there you go, 5 clear benefits, 1 simple drink. Try a cup tomorrow morning or before bed and see how you feel. Golden tea, small habit, big payoff. As always, it's wise to consult your doctor before adding new remedies to your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions. If you found this helpful, give us a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more simple wellness tips. Disclaimer: this video is educational, not medical advice. Talk to your healthcare provider before trying turmeric tea, especially if pregnant, on medication, or managing a condition. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple wellness tips.